like
reason yakho ukuthi ubuzoyeka kuNiyathembana bekuzoba yini because here I understand.
It was gonna be. I don't feel like I'm in a healthy work environment anymore.
Yeah, it's just gonna be that.
And I feel betrayed. You know me so well, hey?
I'm telling you, I know you.
My mom was like, no, give him a chance. Don't it was my mom who stopped me.
No, because your mom loves me.
You should.
My mom likes him.
You should also love him.
You hear what she said? Her mom likes me.
No, my mom likes me. And she said
Because
to
I'm
me,
a good guy.
they're the only like people that have actually ever like even paid you your worth and like so just stay, just hold on. I was like, no, I'm leaving. I think had you not apologized that day though when you called, I was gonna quit. I was on my way out.
Oh, kahle kahle ndlala ngami.
She was waiting for a payday ukuthi ahambe lo muntu.
Yeah, I was because I was like, let me just hold on until that date.
Lisa,
So mina ungicabangile.
So 2 episodes were left.
So mina ungicabangile.
For what?
Ubuzongishaya by strategy.
What's ginger?
Wena bese uyabi.
Bese ngiyahamba.
ufuna uba housewife mara relationship yabe last for 1 week.
Guys, I want to be on Real Housewives of Durban. Please make me rich.
For a week.
But I don't have to have a husband.
No, you have to.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't. I just need to be rich.
For real?
Yeah, there are so many single housewives of Durban, housewives.
Oh.
You just need to have a lot of money.
Okay.
Send me money, please. Dollars and pounds. So I can go to Real Housewives of Durban.